Hello, my name is Marifer Medellin and I'm going to continue on my science experiment, which is can aloe vera juice preserve your strawberries from molding? Okay, so my variables are, my independent variable is water and aloe vera juice. My dependent variable is the strawberries and the amount of mold. And the control is the cups, the plastic wrap, and the size of the strawberry. The first step for this experiment is having 2 cups filled with one with water and the other one with aloe vera juice. What I'm going to do is put the labels so I won't confuse myself. So this one will be with water and this one with aloe vera juice. And what I'm going to do is fill a cup of water and aloe vera juice just to have the same measurements. Okay, so this is the water, and I have the water here. Okay, and now the aloe. Okay. And now this one. Now I have my water and my aloe. I'm going to put them here like that so you can see. The next step for my experiment is separating the strawberries. So I'm going to have 2 groups and I'm going to put 12 strawberries on each group. What I'm going to try to do is get a strawberry and try to look for one that's like almost the same size. So one, I will put it on the first group and the other one on the second group. This is an example of how it would look like. So now I have this strawberry for my first group and this one that, as you can see, they're almost the same size. What I'm going to do is put 12 strawberries here and the other 12 in this side. Now that I have my group 1 of strawberries and group 2, I'm going to go ahead and stack 3 fresh paper towels on the table, and I will label one saying water and the other one with aloe vera juice. Now the next step is I got group 1 with the 12 strawberries. So now I'm gonna dump them into the water one by one, and I'm gonna place them on the 3 paper towels that I labeled water and aloe vera juice. Okay. Now that I'm done placing the strawberries on the paper towel, I'm gonna repeat the same process but with group 2 and with aloe vera juice. Okay, well, while I'm waiting for the strawberries to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and deposit the liquids on the sink. Okay, while I wait for the strawberries to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get my 2 containers, which I'm gonna put the strawberries here, the dry strawberries here. Once I'm done washing them, I'm gonna go ahead and dry them with a kitchen towel. I'm gonna use this one. Now that my strawberries are dry, I'm gonna go ahead and place them on the containers. So right here I have water, and it's going to be my first trail. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my groups, the one with water, and I'm gonna place them here. Now that I have my 2 containers here, I'm gonna wrap them with plastic paper. I'm gonna cover them with 2 wraps of wrapping paper. Okay, now that I've wrapped the containers, so I have the aloe vera juice and the water. So I'm going to place them on a place where the sunlight doesn't hit, and of course it will be room temperature. Now that I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more trials, so it would be 3 in total. Day 1. Day 1, trial 1. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 11 and aloe vera juice 11. Day 1, trial 2. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 11 and for aloe vera juice 10. Day 1, trial 3. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 11 and for aloe vera juice 9. Day 2. Day 2, trial 1. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 5 and for aloe vera juice 9. Day 2, trial 2. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 10 and for aloe vera juice 8. Day 2, trial 3. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold for water 10 and for aloe vera juice 3. Day 3. Day 3, trial 1. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 1 and for aloe vera juice 3. Day 3, trial 2. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 2 and for aloe vera juice 2. Day 3, trial 3. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 4 and for aloe vera juice 1. Day 4. Day 4, trial 1. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold for water 0 and for aloe vera juice 0. Day 4, trial 2. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold for water 0 and for aloe vera juice 0. Day 4, trial 3. The number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold is for water 0 and for aloe vera juice 0. This is a chart I made for my science experiment. So basically, I wrote down the days of observations, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the kind of treatment I used. So I washed the strawberries with water, and the other treatment I used was aloe vera juice. Right here, I put the trials, and all of these numbers are the number of strawberries that showed no signs of mold in the containers. As you can see here, for day 1, trial 1, for the strawberries that I washed with water, 11 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 11 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. For the second trial, day 1, the strawberries that I washed with water, 11 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the ones with aloe vera juice, 10 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 3, day 1, 11 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. And 9 strawberries, and for the aloe vera juice, 9 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. So this is the total amount. So for the water, for the strawberries that I washed with water, only 33 out of 36 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, the total was 30 out of 36 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. For day 2, trial 1, the strawberries that I washed with water, 5 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 9 showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 2, day 2, for the strawberries that I washed with water, 10 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 8 showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 3, day 2, 10 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container for the ones that I washed with water. And for the aloe vera juice, 3 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. For the total, for the strawberries that I washed with water, 25 out of 36 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 20 out of 36 showed no signs of mold in the container. For day 3, trial 1, the strawberries that I washed with water, only 1 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 3 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 2, day 3, 2 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 2 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 3, day 3, the strawberries that I washed with water, 4 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 1 showed no sign of mold in the container. For the total, for the strawberries that I washed with water, are 7 out of 36 that showed no sign of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 6 out of 36 showed no signs of mold in the container. And lastly, for day 4, trial 1, 0 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the container for the ones that I washed with water. And for the aloe vera juice, 0 showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 2, day 4, 0 strawberries showed no signs of mold in the containers for the one that I washed with water. And for the aloe vera juice, 0 showed no signs of mold in the container. For trial 3, for the strawberries that I washed with water, 0 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 0 showed no signs of mold in the container. Now for the total, for the ones that I washed with water, 0 out of 36 showed no signs of mold in the container. And for the aloe vera juice, 0 out of 36 showed no signs of mold in the container. Hello. In conclusion, I believe that the strawberries, either washed with water or aloe vera juice, will still gain mold. And for my hypothesis was actually incorrect because the aloe vera juice actually didn't prevent the strawberries to last longer, because looking through my chart, actually most of the trials, the strawberries were a little bit more resistant with water than the aloe vera juice. Next time I will try to maybe use less strawberries. I believe that the 12 strawberries on each trial was too much. And I also would maybe try to use a different method. Maybe I can use a cup and fill one with water and the other one with aloe vera juice and pour some strawberries on each and see which one will last longer. Maybe that would help as well, and maybe I can get different results. Okay, so that's it for my science video. Thank you for watching.